always playing with my wood. Well, I've avoided this project long enough. I've had this wood stacked up here all summer long, and I've been avoiding bringing it inside, but guess what? Today's the fucking day. I gotta bring it inside before it fucking snows. Luckily, I've got the bottom of the barn here, which I absolutely love my barn. Let's take a little side note here. This barn is absolutely amazing. I fucking love it. I can't express to you how much I love it. This is a savior to have right here. But underneath, there's this great little area where I keep some tools and wood and shit like this. You know, you can't finish if you don't start. Projects like this, you gotta start somewhere. You just gotta dive in there, one step at a time, and get this shit fucking done, my friends. But don't forget to have a little fun. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I told you I was playing with my wood today. What, did you think I was lying? All right, back out to get some more fucking wood. Eventually, you know, you get this shit done. One log at a time, one step at a time. You just put one foot in front of the fucking other, and you get this shit done. You put your nose to the grindstone, you know? This is the... Oh, wait, here we go. We got a little chipmunk here that was living in there. Well, guess what? Today is the day that you get evicted, my friend. I'm sorry. You might not even be alive anymore, depending on which one you were when I saw you with the pellet gun. And we keep going. That's it. Here's the other pile. We got to get this shit up and put in the bottom of the barn, my friends. This is how it happens. New England living, buddy. You want to do this shit? This is where it's at, right here. Now I'm getting stocked up for next winter because I already have wood for this winter, thank goodness. Can't hurt to be ahead.